What do you do when your overpriced Porsche parts break? You make your own. Let's go under. Oh, let's take this plate off. Up inside there is the culprit. Two 13mm bolts. So the other four are meant to be a 15mm, but I don't know where the fuck my socket's gone, so 5/8 in the freedom units. By the way, how fucking good are these things? Boom. One. Correction, there are 6 15mm bolts. I missed that too. And if at first you don't succeed, get a bigger tool. Ah, good. There's the issue. Is that rubber. It's meant to keep that attached to that bearing. Cut the rubber off that. Cut it out from inside there. Replace it with our little 5/8 hose. And now the painstaking task of peeling away all this rubber without losing a fingertip again. Righto, I've shaved the bearing down. Couldn't be fucked going to bare metal. That's pretty empty too. Now get our little doohickey. There's 8 segments, and if you give them a bit of a pull and squish down, they come together pretty good. And the bearing's slightly wider than this shaft too, so it'll be a bit snug. So doing that keeper slides over the top pretty snug, so it's just a matter of getting that over that and this over the whole lot. Here's a bit better of an angle. I'm halfway there, so they're pretty tight to get in there. This one's caught on the outside, so just one at a time. You just got to depress them and get them in under that lip. There we go. So, is it perfect? No. Does it get your car back on the road? Yeah. It'll save you $300-400 replacing the whole drive shaft, because the $300 to replace everything along here, or 80 odd bucks to replace this, and then you've got to split this, take the ball joint out of that, re-grease, repack everything, press the bearing off the spline. Yeah, this will do.